This is so awkward. I haven't vlogged in so long, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I'm going to be vlogging. I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me. I have a hair appointment and I gotta run a few errands. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, you guys. Try to upload videos every single week. There is like so many things I want to update you on. Anyways, my hair appointment's at 10:30. It's currently like 9 something right now. That I'm in a new setting. I did move into my new apartment. So if you're kind of like shook, like, oh my god, where the hell are you? This doesn't look like your old apartment. Yes, I did move into my new apartment. My fridge looks like shit. I don't even know. Oh, you guys. Oh my god, you guys. I have been drinking almond milk. I know, great value because I'm broke. Anyways, I have been drinking almond milk every single morning and I love it, you guys. This is my outfit. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I wore this shirt like a million trillion times. And I'm just wearing this skirt from Hollister. I think both of this is from Hollister. I got this new necklace from a local boutique. I'm just in the car right now. Welcome to my new car. I did get a new car, you guys. I'm gonna turn on some jams. Lit. Because this is my favorite. Is she the one? You're waiting for, is she the one? Anyways, I'm gonna try to be safe while trying to vlog and drive. She is still a baby. She only had almost 300 miles on her. So hard to vlog and drive. I really hope I do not kill anybody today. I want to know, is she decided that I needed to get a new car, you guys, because Bertha was dying. Bertha was dying, you guys. She just couldn't make it anymore, so I had to get a new car. I love my new baby. I don't know what to name her yet. I go to the bank first. I gotta withdraw some munties. Did you guys watch the VMAs? What about Ariana's performance? That was lit. There's a cop. Is this legal to vlog and drive? Really love this Apple CarPlay in my car, you guys. So I just got out of the hair salon. What do you guys think of my hair? Initial goal is to be a lot lighter. I'm hungry. I literally have not eaten anything. I've literally just been drinking this Starbucks vanilla frappuccino drink. So what do you guys think of my hair? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you dislike it? Guys, you're falling. You're falling. In traffic now. This is a pain in the, I hope you guys can see me good, but I took hella long at the hair salon just because my hair had to lift. So my hair appointment was at 10:30 and then I didn't even finish till it's like 2:17 right now. I wanted to vlog inside, but there was like kind of like a lot of people and it felt a little awkward. The hair salon's like kind of small, so maybe I'll vlog next time for you guys. Give me your honesty, your telling me it's getting ready. I just always wonder why there's so much freaking traffic at like 2 in the afternoon. Are you kidding me? I just miss you, baby. All I know is you don't hear my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. So I'm back home. I changed because my maxi skirt was not doing me justice. Literally like 4 o'clock, 4:20, literally. Can you guys see that? So I'm about to make me some of these kimchi pot stickers. Oh my god, you guys, this is so delicious. I got this at the Asian store. I'm so happy because there's an Asian store literally 10 minutes away from me. But these are super good. Get some oil first. I hate how I can't. A little oil in the pan, just a tad bit. You don't hit my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. This thing is popping, guys. Okay. Oh my god, stop it. Stop. Ow! Okay, this is not okay. All right, gently Oh my god. I had to move it from the heat because it's like literally popping everywhere. I put the heat too high. I'm about to make me a bunch of these because it's so good. That one looks deformed. I'm about to put another one in here. What I do is I put some oil in there, let it like fry up a bit. And then I'm going to grab a cover, pour some water, and then let it steam. Some light in here because it's too dark. And yeah, by the way, I did move into my new apartment. It's a lot nicer than my other apartment that I was in. Okay, let's see if this is golden brown. What you do is you want to check until it's golden brown. And then we're gonna add the water, which perfect, it's golden brown. Increase the heat a little bit. So like 4, and I don't like using tap water. So what I'm gonna do is pour some water, enough to cover like the bottom of the pan. And then I'll just pop a cover over it, let it steam for about like 2 minutes, and then it should be ready, guys. Yes, girl, doesn't that look so delicious? I love eating my dumplings with Tabasco. Even though it's already hot, I love to eat it with Tabasco. Can you guys see me? My water's over there, I'm too lazy to get it. So excited for this. Here it goes. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. I love when the dumpling is like crunchy on the bottom and then like super soft. Literally eat like a million of these. So good. Thinking of filming like a mukbang. Sorry if the camera's a little crooked, guys. This is literally the only setup that I can have because I'm too lazy to get my tripod. Thinking of filming like a whole mukbang where I eat and talk about like things. I don't know. No, I love watching mukbang videos, especially like the hot ramen noodles. Like they make it look so freaking good. Wanted to film like a couple beauty videos for my Instagram, but like I literally had like no freaking time. I'm obsessed with Tabasco. I was expecting this kimchi dumpling to be like straight up just like the cabbage and like the hot thing, but there's like pieces of chicken in here. It tastes really good. With whatever's going on with the beauty community, like Laura Lee and all of that drama, I don't really care for drama. Actually, I do care about drama. Pretty sure a lot of you guys follow the Ace family. A lot of like controversy that they faked their home robbery, which me, like I love the Ace family, and I feel like if I was to open my mouth and bash the Ace family, I would just get a lot of backlash and hate for it because their army is pretty strong. So I'm not even gonna address it so much, but I don't know. I'm gonna just keep my mouth shut about what I think about the Ace family and the robbery because I don't want to get hate for it. I low-key want some more. I'm with school now. I'm graduating at the end of this month. I'm so excited. I've been busy with school and work and just a lot of things. That's why I haven't really been uploading. But thank you for like bearing with me, and thank you for still watching my channel. I have like more time to film more videos now that school's ending. And yeah, I'm gonna be filming, creating a lot of content. Oh, I want to show you guys what I got. What Ipsy sent me. Go. Okay. Oh, okay, so sorry, I'm like really crunching really loudly. This is what Ipsy sent me. They sent me this glam bag, a glam bag plus, and they sent me all these freaking goodies, you guys. I was so excited when I opened this. A mascara, a Tarte blush. I've got this moisturizer, a Morphe palette. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. Yeah, I'm gonna be filming a beauty video on this probably this weekend. So stay tuned for that. I still have to film these 2 glam bags and also this thing from Honest Beauty. I'm so excited for these. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog video. Please subscribe, like I said, if you are not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you guys want more of these videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.